Today on Bench Briefs, we're looking at a key Supreme Court of Canada decision that explores when police can enter a home without a warrant. The case is R v. Ferguson, decided in 2008, and it grapples with the tension between protecting individual privacy and allowing the police to act swiftly in urgent situations. So, what happened in R v. Ferguson? Mr. Ferguson was charged with criminal offenses after the police searched his home without a warrant. The police didn't have a court order, but they believed that urgent circumstances justified immediate entry. The central question was whether the police were right to act without a warrant, or whether they violated Mr. Ferguson's constitutional rights. Let's break down the facts. Police officers arrived at Mr. Ferguson's residence with information suggesting that immediate action might be necessary. Perhaps they feared evidence could be destroyed or that someone's safety was at risk. Without waiting to get a warrant, they entered the home and conducted a search. This led to charges against Mr. Ferguson based on what they found inside. At the heart of the case was the legal concept of exigent circumstances. Normally, police need a warrant to enter and search a home because Section 8 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms protects everyone against unreasonable search and seizure. This means the government must respect the privacy of your home unless there is a very good reason not to. Exigent circumstances are one such reason. Situations so urgent that waiting for a warrant could lead to harm or the loss of crucial evidence. The Supreme Court had to decide two main things. First, did the police have reasonable and probable grounds to believe that immediate action was necessary? In other words, was there a real and pressing need to enter Mr. Ferguson's home without delay? Second, even if the police did enter without a warrant, did this action violate Mr. Ferguson's Section 8 rights? This case is important because it clarifies how courts balance public safety and individual rights. If police could enter homes without warrants too easily, it would undermine the privacy and security that Section 8 was designed to protect. On the other hand, if police are forced to wait for a warrant in every situation, they might miss critical opportunities to prevent harm or secure evidence. The Supreme Court's decision in R v. Ferguson reinforced that warrantless searches are only justified in truly urgent circumstances. The police must have clear, reasonable grounds to believe that waiting would cause significant harm or result in the destruction of evidence. This sets a high bar, ensuring that the privacy of the home is not lightly overridden. In the bigger picture, this case helps define the limits of police powers in Canada and protects Canadians' constitutional rights. It reminds us that our homes are special places where the law demands respect for privacy, but it also recognizes that sometimes the police must act quickly to keep us safe. Thank you for listening to this episode of Bench Briefs. Be sure to join us next time as we explore more landmark cases that shape Canadian law.